My name is Keith Benson. I am the automotive and manufacturing instructor here at Petaluma High School and the department chair for our engineering. Electrical is everything these days, and everything has a computer, a circuit. I mean, your seat has its own computer, your windows, and today's technicians need to know how to diagnose all the circuits, need to know Ohm's law, and the switch vehicle is an interesting and easy way for the students to learn about all aspects of that and learn the diagnosis for electrical vehicles. The nice thing about the Relay Lab Kit, it's very compact. I mean, you could potentially put, 30 of these in a classroom versus the amount of space it takes up for an actual entire switch car. This is a lot less intimidating than a car. You put it in front of a student, that can be very intimidating the first time they, have to take apart a controller. Where this is, I think, a little more friendly. It's just a smaller version of the entire vehicle. So the concepts and what they're learning is the same, except you don't get the driving. I look at our students and they have lived in a two-dimensional world, computers I'm talking about, in tablets. You get them out in the shop, and a lot of times their first experience in what I call the 3D world, manipulating objects in three dimensionals, cutting things. So they learn a ton with project-based learning. And I think the trend is going more that direction, especially with this generation. They're very interested in using their hands, learning about trades, and this stuff fits right in with that. As far as the Relay Kit specifically, they can take what they learn here and apply it to, commercial applications, robotics, buildings, etc., networks. It all goes hand in hand. The Switch Relay Kit and car gives us that opportunity with something that is, I would say, low stakes compared to the cost of, like, say, a Cybertruck or something, where you got a $100,000 electric vehicle. The cost is effective for education. I would recommend it to every auto shop that wants to teach modern equipment, our modern technology, modern transportation. This is the direction things are going. Electric cars are here to stay. They're getting better and better. But the fundamentals of electricity, as far as I know, aren't going to change. So if they can learn this, it can take them throughout their entire career.